This is Chris, and we're looking at here is our silver decomposed granite and oyster shell bocce court mix. This material is done with a 1/4 inch minus silver gray decomposed granite and a healthy blend of oyster shell in it. It's about 25 to 35% oyster shell depending upon the region it's going to. Drier areas can use a little bit less oyster shell, and wetter climates need a higher percentage of oyster shell. We ship our materials throughout the US and Canada, and this material gets loaded in super sacks or in the back of dump trucks or end dumps transported to the job site. The oyster shell keeps the decomposed granite from packing down extremely hard, makes it possible to come in and renovate the court on a regular basis with a rake, re-level it, and have a nice surface. Without the oyster shell, the DG would pack down very hard, and it would be difficult to get in there with a rake and pull it up and re-grade, re-rake out and broom out the surface.